You ready?
Kill him, boys!
That's beautiful right there, boys. That's how it's done, fellas. Welcome to the Call Outdoors.
You are not in the turkey woods in May. Something's wrong. I just love this way too much.
What's up, guys? Welcome to episode 2. We've got some more waterfowl hunts lined up for you in Ontario. It's the second part of our trip. We're trying to get on some ducks. Then James gives us a call and we head out to Ottawa. Check it out.
I think if we're dressed up in the bales,
We honestly haven't had a problem,
yeah, we did pretty good. I've done pretty good with like that, and I feel like this with ducks.
What about the geese?
Geese are a little trickier, but I think you can still get them, especially since they're feeding here.
Here.
Yeah, they're just feeding away. Yep.
So do you guys want to check the our field over there, or what do you think?
Sure. Let's check it out.
It's the exact same type of field as this.
Okay.
But like last weekend, like it's out by these red barns, like just literally swarms you can see out by that.
Yeah, look
bush.
at that. There's a big group coming back now.
That's good.
Yeah, they all fell.
Knocked down all three.
Nice green head right there. They're all heads. Sit. Look at that creek. Welcome to Ontario.
What you got there, Drake?
Kill him, guys.
I'm sorry, Ontario, but you have way too many coons. Every time we're up there turkey hunting or goose hunting, there's coons everywhere. They're robbing the nests, and man, you gotta take care of some of them. You gotta trap them or shoot them, do something. But they're robbing the nest, especially the turkeys.
Gonna catch him. Oh, he's getting close.
Run, Forrest, run!
That's done.
And throwing a stick at them just won't work.
He was.
Not now.
Moving.
He is. I think he can move that fast.
Oh yeah.
Ready to go to Ottawa, boys. Bunch of rain's coming. 90% chance all morning tomorrow. James gave us a call and said he'll put us up there, so we'll hit the road.
Answer the call for Ottawa.
Answer the call.
Our driver got a good nap this afternoon, so he should be all set.
Hey, we just got off of Road 44 off of 416. Is that going to bring us straight into Kempville? Yeah. So I want to keep going up 416 till 43, right?
So actually there's a drainage ditch in between all my coordinates. Tail out here. And then if this wind stays, we just move the blinds like that.
Yep.
One of that pocket.
Yep.
Supposed to be a south wind and it's east right now. It straightens out.
It's hard because we don't
Like
get all
that.
strong winds here, eh?
Yeah.
Like it's just kind of worked out.
Kill him!
Right here, Dave, right here. I'm out.
Woo! That was fun.
Perfect.
So we're in Ottawa, and we've heard about this place for a while now from James, and about all the geese. And so we get there, and there is actually geese everywhere. I think we're like up in Saskatchewan. I mean, there was just flock after flock. And some of these guys I've never got to hunt with before, and Dave the same. And we really had a good time just working the geese and seeing the geese. The wind was not helping us at all. I mean, the wind kept changing on us, so it really made it difficult to be successful in that sense.
That's fun.
Oh yeah.
Having a ball.
Nice when someone can actually call, eh, Reggie? We kill a lot of birds without calling, that's right. Whenever I go with you, I'm like, jeepers. You gotta practice. Yeah, see, like, it's not like in Lindsay, eh? The birds weren't flying flock after flock like this. They just standing around and then
That makes it hard too because they all follow each other.
yeah, they just keep going.
A lot of times when we're hunting, you're into the hunt and you're seeing cars like parked alongside the road and you're not quite sure who they are. Well, lo and behold, we had wardens watching us and we didn't even know it. And we hunted pretty much the morning, and sure enough, these wardens, two of them, came out and checked us out. And I'll tell you what, they were really polite, but they really were thorough in checking us out. And I was really impressed how polite they were and how cooperative they were working with us, and how they waited till we got to hunt the first couple waves of geese, and they waited till we had a lull in the action, and they came out and checked us out. So it was something that we don't witness all the time, but occasionally we do get checked out. We go in different states, but I was really impressed by their cooperation and how they work with people.
Great.
Thank you. So we get checked out, game wardens leave, we finish getting moved around, and it's just in time because the hunting starts to get intense.
Kill him. Kill him! Two birds! Welcome to Ottawa! I wasn't too nervous. Nice doing, boys.
So it's getting towards the end of the hunt, and it's time to call the camera guy out. We call Jeff Murphy up to bat. He grabs my gun, loads up. Him and James got a few more birds to shoot to wrap this thing up.
Goose, shoot them two birds.
Take that!
I'm on the 2-pack. Kill the 2.
Take him, Murph. That's why I'm behind the camera.
Oh, good grief. I cannot believe this is happening. Making fun of the camera guy. The guy that's behind the camera and then expected to hit everything as soon as he gets a gun. Unbelievable.
Take him, Murph.
Hey! Big one too. Get him!
We're just trying to support the ammo company here, Dave. The more we shoot, the more they make. Rumor has it though that the states is short on ammo.
James and Murph are trying to wrap it up. There's been a lot of birds all day, but Murph's like behind the camera a lot, so he don't get to shoot a lot, but man, Murph, I don't know. We want to go to breakfast, but there's not a lot of birds falling. Let's get it wrapped up and go to breakfast now.
Kill him! Kill him! Holy cow! You me, Murph? Keep going, bud! Got a whole box!
Oh, good grief.
You take him, Murph? Yeah! Oh, baby! Let's go! That's right. There's the limit.
Sorry it took so long, boys.
That's all right. Hey, we need more footage. Yeah, all the guys can blame you now when they're late home.
Yeah.
Honey, I swear, it's all Murph's fault.
Just want to show you guys a little bit of our spread today. We actually totally switched everything around midway through the hunt. The wind was coming out of the south first thing this morning, and then it switched over from the east, so the birds were not lighting in like we wanted to. So after the game wardens came out and checked our licenses, and we had about 20 birds down at that point, we needed another 20. We ended up switching the blinds totally around, and this is what we did. If you pan over here, you can see a lot of feeders over here to the left to drag them across. We got a line in the center, get those birds to the center right up. Today was a tougher hunt, but the sun wasn't out today, so the birds could really pick us out. But we still ended up all right. 40 bird shoot, limited it out. Took a while. What a hunt. Glad we came to Ottawa, baby.
Yeah, so we just finished up a hunt here in Richmond, Ontario. It was myself and Reg Smallwood and 6 boys from the Call Outdoors. We had a good hunt this morning. We limited out on 40 geese. We also shot 3 wood ducks. It was really nice time to be with the boys. I was also in Woodville with Tim Yates and a few of our friends from back there, and we'd had a good shoot there also. I'm thankful that they could come up here and hunt with us. We're always thankful when our brothers in the Lord can come and spend time with us. And it's written that brotherhood is the key to success here, I think, and for myself it means a lot to spend time in the woods with good friends and Christian brothers, and I know that each one is faithful here to what we understand, and I'm thankful that we can hunt together and spend time together that way. So thank you for coming up, and thank you for the good times, and I'll be up again soon.
The Call Outdoors is a ministry of Camp Sankanek. Special thanks to East Brandywine Baptist Church, Morgantown Community Church, Millstream Bible Camp, Stampede Barbecue.